Alright, so get yourself into drive mode. Yeah, there you go. And we'll pull up to our staging line here. Alright, so now we're evaluating the dynamics of this chassis. What's the grip off the line? How does the transmission shift? How does the car feel as we brake and turn? Does it feel nimble? Does it feel ponderous? Does it lean a lot? Those kind of things is what we're paying attention to. So, alright, off we go. Right-hand turn coming up, and a sharp left U-turn. Goes on forever. Right-hand turn, and then look for our exit lane, and we'll stop in the box. There you go. Excellent. Okay. So we've got a good baseline for the new car.